In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach an axe to a character in Unreal Engine 5 using a simple and efficient method. First, we create a blueprint class for the axe. Inside the blueprint, we add a static mesh component and assign our axe asset to it. Next, we move to the character's skeleton. Here, we add a socket to the hand bone, specifically hand_R, and name it weapon socket. This socket will control exactly where the axe attaches. After creating the socket, we preview the axe inside the skeleton editor. This helps us position and rotate the weapon correctly so it fits naturally in the character's hand. Now we go to the character blueprint to complete the setup. We start with Event Begin Play, which runs when the game starts. From there, we spawn the axe actor into the world. Next, we get the mesh component of the character and use getSocketTransform to find the exact position of our weapon socket. Finally, we attach the spawned axe to the character using attachActor_to_component. And that's it. Now when you press play, the axe is automatically attached to your character's hand. This method is simple, clean, and works perfectly for most weapon systems. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Unreal Engine tips.